Hi, this is Nicholas from YouCanBookMe, and today we're going to review our integrations. So we have a lot of different integrations, like for example, analytics integrations from Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. These allow you to capture data from your customers, basically traffic data. You also have calendar integration, which is the main integration. This is how we are able to capture both your availability and also create events on your calendar. Then we have connectors integrations like Zapier to create automations. We have email integrations so that you can send the notification emails to your customers from your own email address instead of using notifications at youcanbook.me. And we have many more that you can see here by going to youcanbook.me/features/integrations. Now, the way on how you connect each integration is by going to your YouCanBookMe dashboard, and then on the top right corner you click here and then click on integrations, and here you'll see all of the integrations. The first portion is the calendar accounts, which you can add multiple from either Google, Microsoft, iCloud, Fastmail, Froox, or CalDAV, and some of them will have more features that you can connect, like for example Google has Google Meets, Microsoft have Teams, and so on. Down here, you'll find all of the integrations that are not related to calendars that you can also connect. For example, Stripe, so that you can collect payment. You have Zapier as well, so you can do automations. You have Zoom for video conferencing. You have Gmail and Outlook Mail to send the notifications to your customers using your own email address, and many more. Lastly, by clicking on these three dots on any integration, you also have different options. For example, you can reauthorize, sync, or disconnect an integration. For Stripe, you can also reauthorize, have more information, or disconnect the integration altogether. For Zapier, you have settings, more info, disconnect, and these options are going to be different for each integration. Lastly, we also do have an open API, so you can pretty much create any sort of integration that you want. Lastly, we also have an open API, so if you want to create a custom integration, you can also do it. Lastly, we also have an open API, which you can access by going. Lastly, we also have an open API. Lastly, we also have an open API so that you can create any custom integration that you want. You can access all of the documentation for our open API by heading over to ycbm.stoplight.io. Here, you will find the documentation on how to create bookings, how to get information onto bookings, how to modify them, how to create booking pages or also modify booking pages, and pretty much any sort of information about our API. And if you don't manage to find anything here that you want to check, well, you can contact us at support@youcanbook.me and we'll be more than happy to help you out.